Here video lesson prepared by N. Markandeya, lecturer in chemistry, Dr. BRR Government Degree College, Jedchalla, Department of Chemistry, BSc third year, 6th semester, paper 7. Topic is amino acids and proteins. You see total 20 amino acids are there. So here we can see the amino acids and abbreviation of amino acid and symbol and molecular mass and isoelectric point, that is pi value. Pi value means isoelectric point. See here 20 amino acids are there. So here glycine, abbreviation is GLY. So this we can show the symbol of G. Molecular mass of this glycine is 75 and the isoelectrical point pi value of glycine is 5.97. Next second one, alanine. So abbreviation is ALA. Symbol is A. Molecular mass of this 89 and the isoelectrical point of alanine is 6.01. Third one is proline. So abbreviation PRO, symbol P, molecular weight 115 and the pi value 6.48. Next fourth one is valine. Abbreviation VAL, symbol V, molecular weight 117, 5.97. Next fifth one leucine. Abbreviation LEU, symbol L, 131, molecular weight 6.02, 5.98, isoelectrical point. Next isoleucine, ILE, symbol is I, molecular weight is 131 and pi value is 6.02. Next methionine, abbreviation MET, molecular symbol M, molecular mass 149 and pi value 5.74. and phenylalanine, PHE, symbol is F, 165, molecular weight 5.48, pi value. Next tyrosine, TYR, symbol is Y, 181, molecular mass and 5.66 pi value. Next tryptophan, TRP, symbol is W, molecular weight 204, pi value 5.89. Next serine, abbreviation SCR, symbol S, 105, molecular weight 5.68. Next threonine, THR, symbol is T, 119, molecular weight 5.87. cysteine, CYS, symbol is C, molecular mass is 121, 5.07. Next asparagine, see here abbreviation ASN, symbol A, 132, molecular weight 5.41, pi value. Next glutamine, GLN Q, symbol is Q, molecular mass is 146, 5.65. Next lysine, LYS, symbol is K, 144, 9.74. Next histidine, HIS, H, 155, 7.59. arginine, ARG, R, 174, 10.76. Next, aspartic acid, ASP N 133 2.77. Next, glutamic acid, GLU, symbol is E, molecular mass is 147 and 3.22. Here star symbol amino acids are the essential amino acids. Star symbol amino acids are the essential amino acids. Here, so valine, this leucine, isoleucine, methionine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, threonine, lysine, histidine, and arginine. These 10 are the essential amino acids. So what are there? Valine, leucine, isoleucine, methionine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, threonine, lysine, histidine, arginine. These star mark symbol amino acids are essential amino acids. So these essential amino acids, human can produce these 10 of the total 20 amino acids. These 10 amino acids can produced by human. The other must be the other amino acids, that means glycine, alanine, tyrosine, serine, like that. So the other amino acids must be supplied in the food. Failure to obtain enough of even one of the 10 essential amino acids, those that we can't make, results in degradation of the body proteins. So these essential amino acids can produce human, the other must be supplied in the food. So these are the total 20 amino acids are there. In that 10 amino acids are the essential amino acids. Remaining 10 amino acids are the supplied in the food. See the next preparation of amino acids. Preparation of amino acids. See here methods of synthesis of alpha amino acids. The first one is from halogenated carboxylic acids. From halogenated carboxylic acids. See here alpha halogenation of carboxylic acids is carried out by L-Wolhard-Zelensky reaction, that is abbreviated as a HVZ reaction. HVZ reaction, L-Wolhard-Zelensky reaction, to get alpha halogenated carboxylic acids. These alpha halogenated carboxylic acids undergo nucleophilic substitution in which ammonia reacts. With an alpha halocarboxylic acid to give amino acids. First, generally carboxylic acids undergoes the HVZ reaction with bromine red phosphorus. Then alpha bromo carboxylic acid will form. This alpha bromo carboxylic acid undergoes the nucleophilic substitution with NH2 group to form a alpha amino acids. So here alpha halogenation of carboxylic acid is carried out by HVZ reaction to get alpha halogenated carboxylic acids. These alpha halogenated carboxylic acids undergo nucleophilic substitution in which ammonia reacts with an alpha carboxylic acid to give the amino acids. Here, so general carboxylic acid formula is RCH2COOH. Here COOH is the functional group and this carbon is alpha carbon. Here alpha carbon contain the 2 alpha hydrogen. When these alpha hydrogen containing carboxylic acids when react with the bromine and red phosphorus, this alpha hydrogen substituted by the halogen. See here, one alpha hydrogen substituted by the halogen. So this reaction, this alpha hydrogen substituted by halogen reaction is known as a HVZ reaction, L-Wolhard-Jelensky reaction. So then this alpha bromo carboxylic acids will form. This alpha bromo carboxylic acids react with the ammonia, so to form a alpha amino acids by removing of HBr. Here NH2 minus nucleophile substituted by the Br minus nucleophile. So NH2 minus nucleophile substituted in the place of Br minus nucleophile. So here, so nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place. So this is the alpha amino acid. So this is the halogenated of carboxylic acid. First carboxylic acid, so takes place the alpha halogenation, then this alpha halo carboxylic acids so react with the ammonia to form a alpha amino acids. Here R is the alkyl group or side chain substitution, side chain of the alpha amino acids. So by the substitution of different alkyl groups in the place of R, we can prepare the different amino acids. We can prepare the different amino acids. See here, for example, preparation of glycine. We know the glycine structure. So this is the NH2 bond CH2, COOH is the glycine. For the preparation of glycine, in the here R is equal to hydrogen. Here R is substituted by hydrogen. For this we can take the acetic acid. So acetic acid CH3COOH so undergoes the HVZ reaction to form a alpha bromoacetic acid. See, this is the alpha bromoacetic acid. This alpha bromoacetic acid react with the ammonia to form a glycine. For glycine, in R is substituted by, here R is equal to H. For glycine, we can substitute R with H. This is the glycine. Next, see the preparation of alanine. Preparation of alanine. We know the first structure of alanine. Alanine structure is CH3 CH COOH. This is the alanine structure. In this alkyl group is substituted by methyl group. These are remaining same. CH2COOH is the same. So in the we can substitute the R with the methyl group. So we can take the propanoic acid. So for the preparation of alanine, we take the propanoic acid. So propanoic acid, this is the alpha carbon containing the 2 hydrogens. So this propanoic acids undergoes the HVZ reaction to form a alpha bromopropanoic acid. So this alpha hydrogens so substituted by bromine, so it will form a alpha bromopropanoic acid. This alpha bromopropanoic acid react with the ammonia so to form a alanine. So by removing of HBr, so alanine. So for the preparation of alanine, in this method we can take a, so initial carboxylic acid is propanoic acid. Initial carboxylic acid is propanoic acid. Here R is equal to methyl group. Here R is equal to, so methyl group. So we can take the methyl containing carboxylic acid. See here, next one, preparation of valine. Preparation of valine. So first we know the valine structure. See here, valine structure is, so NH2 CHCOOH. This is the amino acid in the alpha hydrogen substituted by isopropyl group. So this is the isopropyl alpha amino acid. This is the group. Here R is equal to substituted by isopropyl group CH3. So R is substituted by isopropyl group. This remaining group come from the, so acids. So these acids. For the preparation of valine, we can take the, see a 3-methyl butanoic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third carbon substituted by methyl group. So we can take the 3-methyl butanoic acid. So this CH2COOH is for amino acids. This is the substitution. 3-methyl butanoic acid carry on HVZ reaction and then treat it with ammonia. So this 3-methyl butanoic acid carry on HVZ reaction and then treat it with ammonia to form a valine. See here, 3-methyl, take the 3-methyl butanoic acid. This 3-methyl butanoic acid contain the 2 alpha hydrogens. This is the alpha carbon. So 2 alpha hydrogen, then it undergoes the HVZ reaction. So this react with the bromine red phosphorus. This alpha hydrogen is substituted by the, so bromine. So alpha bromo 3-methyl butanoic acid will form. This react with the ammonia, so to form a valine. This in ammonia NH2 group is substituted by Br minus group. So this is the preparation of valine. Next, preparation of leucine. See here, first structure of leucine is, this is the leucine structure. First we know the structure of this glycine, alanine, valine and leucine. Then only we can, so which carboxylic acid we can take for preparation of leucine, so we know. So this is the leucine. So for the preparation of leucine, we can take the, see here, 3-methyl pentanoic acid. We can take the 4-methyl pentanoic acid. This is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. Fourth carbon contain the methyl group. So 4-methyl pentanoic acid. This is the functional group. This is alpha carbon. Alpha carbon contain the 2 alpha hydrogen. So this undergoes the HVZ reaction to form a, so alpha bromo 4-methyl or 2-bromo 4-methyl pentanoic acid. This is the 2-bromo 4-methyl pentanoic acid. This is react with the ammonia. So undergoes the nucleophilic substitution takes place. So in that reaction, this NH2 minus group is substituted in the place of Br minus group. So this leucine is obtained. This solution is obtained. So for the preparation of this glycine, valine and alanine and leucine, we can take the appropriate carboxylic acids. We can take the appropriate carboxylic acids. From that carboxylic acids we can prepare these different amino acids. We can prepare any amino acids by taking the initial carboxylic acid, by taking the initial appropriate carboxylic acids. This is the first method of preparation of alpha amino acids. See here, second one, malonic ester synthesis. Malonic ester synthesis. See here, first malonic ester synthesis is a chemical reaction where diethyl malonate or another ester of malonic acid is alkylated at the alpha carbon, to both carbonyl group and then converted to a substituted acetic acid, so which react with bromine and ammonia, so form a amino acids. See here, so first take the malonic acid. Malonic acid formula is CH COO C2H5 COO C2H5. So this is the electron withdrawing group. These malonic acid contain the two electron withdrawing group. This is the alpha carbon. Alpha carbon contain the 2 alpha hydrogens. These 2 alpha hydrogens are the acidic hydrogens. These 2 alpha hydrogens are the acidic hydrogens. So these acidic hydrogens easily removed by the base to form a carbene ion. So to form a carbene ion. So this carbene ion when react with the alkyl group, this alkyl is substituted. This alkyl is substituted in the place of these hydrogens. So then it undergoes the hydrolysis and react with the bromine and ammonia to form a amino acids. See here general mechanism. So this malonic acid first react with the sodium methoxide. Sodium methoxide is a strong base. So then form this carbene ion. So then this carbene ion react with the alkyl halide. So this alkyl group substituted in the place of hydrogen. So form a alkyl substituted malonic acid, or alkyl substituted malonic ester. Malonic ester will form. This malonic ester undergoes the hydrolysis and form a acetic acid. So this acetic acid containing the alpha hydrogen, when it is react with the bromine, so this alpha bromo acetic acid will form. So carboxylic acid will form. This alpha bromo carboxylic acid when react with the ammonia, so here nucleophilic substitution takes place and form a alpha amino acid. This is the mechanism of preparation from malonic ester. So first malonic ester containing the 2 alpha acidic hydrogen. So this is converted to substituted acetic acid. This is the substituted acetic acid. The substituted acetic acid react with the bromine to form a alpha bromo acetic acid. This react with the ammonia to form a alpha amino acetic acid. See here mechanism of this reaction is the alpha carbons to carbonyl group can be deprotonated by a strong base. The carbanion formed. This alpha hydrogen is deprotonated by a strong base, like here sodium methoxide is a strong base. So form a carbanion formed can undergoes the nucleophilic substitution on the alkyl halide. Nucleophilic substitution on the alkyl halide to give a alkylated compound. Alkylated compound. On heating, the diester undergoes the terminal decarboxylation. The diester undergoes the terminal decarboxylation yielding an acetic acid, substituted by the appropriate R group. It reacts with the bromine, then ammonia form a amino acid. This is the mechanism for the preparation of alpha amino acids with malonic ester. This is the malonic ester formula. See here, for examples, preparation of glycine. For the preparation of glycine, this malonic ester react with the HX. So in the place of alkyl group, we can take the hydrogen. It will form a glycine. We know the structure of glycine. Glycine structure is NH2 CH COOH. In the place of R, we can substitute hydrogen. So simply R is equal to H. Here Rx, in the place of Rx, we can take here HX. We can take HX to form a glycine. See, the second one is preparation of alanine. So we know the structure of alanine. See here NH2 CH COOH CH3. So in the alpha hydrogen is substituted with methyl group. Here R is equal to, so take the methyl group. So for the preparation of alanine, we can take the appropriate alkyl group. For the preparation of this, we can take the methyl bromide. This is very, very important. This taking of this alkyl halide is very, very important to preparation of this amino acids. So this we can, for the preparation of alanine, we can take the methyl halide or methyl bromide or methyl chloride. This is the alkyl halide. See here mechanism. This malonic ester first react with the sodium methoxide base. So to form a sodium malonic ester or sodium malonate. Here alpha hydrogens are substituted with sodium. Then this sodium malonate react with the methyl bromide. So it will form a methyl malonic ester or methyl malonate. So on hydrolysis, these ester groups convert into the carboxylic groups. On hydrolysis, esters always gives a carboxylics. So on hydrolysis, these two ester groups convert into the two carboxylic groups. When on heating, so by removing of carbon dioxide, so it will form a carboxylic acids. So one CO2 group is removed by as carbon dioxide on heating. So this carboxylic acid group by carbon dioxide form a carboxylic acids. When this carboxylic acids contain the alpha hydrogen, so it react with the bromine to form a alpha bromo carboxylic acid. Alpha bromo carboxylic acid. This alpha bromo carboxylic acids react with the ammonia. This nucleophilic substitution takes place and form a alanine. So this is the mechanism of malonic ester synthesis from malonic ester. So for the preparation of these amino acids, here very important point is, so we can take the appropriate alkyl halide. By taking of appropriate alkyl halide, we can prepare the different amino acids. So different amino acids, we can know the 20 amino acid structures. We can prepare the 20 amino acid structure also by taking this appropriate alkyl halide. See the next preparation of valine. So valine structure is, we know the valine structure. This is the valine structure. This CHCOOH group came from this malonic ester. This CHCOOH group came from this malonic ester. This NH2 group came from the ammonia. So total this came from the malonic ester. Then this is the substitution. This substitution came from the alkyl halide. This substitution came from the alkyl halide. Here substitution R is equal to, so what is the substitution? Isopropyl group CH3 and CH3. This is the R group. So for the R group, we can take the isopropyl bromide. Like here CH3, CHX, CH3. So for the taking of this alkyl halide, we can prepare the valine. So here taking the alkyl halide is very important. So the same mechanism. So malonic ester react with the sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide is a strong base. This malonic ester contain the 2 alpha hydrogen. This 2 alpha hydrogen is the acidic hydrogens. So these acidic hydrogens react with the base to form a sodium malonate. This sodium malonate react with the isopropyl bromide. So this isopropyl group is substituted in the place of sodium. So then this compound will form. This compound undergoes the hydrolysis and decarboxylation. So form this compound. This is the 2-methyl butanoic acid. This 2-methyl butanoic acid also contain the 2 alpha hydrogens. Then it react with the bromine and so ammonia to form a valine. For this R group, we can take the isopropyl bromide alcohol. This taking the alkyl halide group is very important for the preparation of different amino acids. Next, see the preparation of leucine. From the preparation of leucine, we know the structure of leucine. So for leucine, first we take the malonic ester. This malonic ester react with the sodium ethoxide strong base, then form a sodium malonate. So this sodium malonate react with the isobutyl bromide. This isobutyl group substituted So in the place of sodium to form this group. So then this react with this undergoes the hydrolysis and decarboxylate. So form this group. What is this group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4. 4-methyl hexanoic acid. This 4-methyl hexanoic acid contain the 2-alpha hydrogen. So then it react with the bromine, form a alpha bromo carboxylic acid. This alpha bromo carboxylic acid so react with the ammonia. So takes place the nucleophilic substitution reactions to form a leucine. So leucine is the alpha amino acid. So here substitution is isobutyl group. See, this is the substitution. This is the R group. This is the isobutyl group. For the taking leucine, we can take the isobutyl bromide. Okay, next is Strecker synthesis. See here, Strecker synthesis involves an aldehyde to be converted to an alpha amino acid. So aldehyde converted to the alpha amino acids with one or more carbon atoms by two-stage process. By increase the one or more carbon atoms by two-stage process. Here an alpha amino nitrile is an intermediate. In this Strecker synthesis, alpha amino nitrile is an intermediate. The alpha amino nitrile is formed by the reaction of aldehyde with ammonia or an ammonium chloride. And cyanide ion. Then hydrolysis of nitrile group to carboxylic acid gives the amino acid. See here reaction. First take the aldehyde. We can take any aldehyde. So by taking this aldehyde, we can prepare the different amino acids. First take the aldehyde. Aldehyde react with the ammonium chloride and sodium cyanide to form a alpha amino nitrile. This alpha amino nitrile undergoes the hydrolysis. So when hydrolysis, this cyanide group convert into the carboxylic acid group. So alpha amino acid will form. So for in Strecker synthesis, this from alpha amino acids are prepared by aldehydes. This point is very, very important. This aldehydes react with the ammonium chloride and sodium cyanide. So followed by the hydrolysis to form a alpha amino acids. See here mechanism. First ammonium chloride react with the sodium cyanide to form a ammonium cyanide and sodium chloride. This ammonium cyanide decomposed as a ammonia and hydrogen cyanide. So first this ammonia react with the aldehyde to form a imine. C double bond NH. So this imine react with the hydrogen cyanide to form a alpha amino nitrile. Here mechanism HCN. So C double bond NH, here N is equal to more electronegative atom. So this pi pi bond attracted by nitrogen, this H plus react with the NH2, Cn minus attracted with the carbon, so form a alpha amino nitrile. This alpha amino nitrile undergoes the hydrolysis. This cyanide group convert as a COOH group, so alpha amino acids will form. This is the Strucker synthesis. Alpha amino acids will form. This is the mechanism of Strucker synthesis. Okay, thank you. Remaining we can see next class. Thank you.